guys, welcome back. This is the Midwest Picker. I just want to make a quick video on what sold. For some reason I'm selling stuff again. It is the summer slowdown. It's June 27, 2019. But I'm selling for some reason. Every couple days I'm selling a couple things. So I thought I'd only do what sold in June and do like 5 or 6 things, but I sold more stuff in the last couple days. So just want to make this quick video just to give you a heads up what sells. You might see other videos that say BOLO or be on the lookout. So these are just some ideas. So the first one is wooden dowels. Not so sure about this. These are little tiny wooden dowels. There'll be a picture here. 6mm by 30mm. They're really tiny. I bought them super cheap. I'll make another video on how to do auctions or how to participate in auctions and avoid the auction fever. So I got the purchase fever. I went a little crazy on this one. So these were dowels that were at a thrift store. They were super cheap. They were, I don't know how much they were, 5 cents a piece or something like that, and there was 6,000 of them. So I offered the guy 25 bucks for all 6,000. It was a pretty big box, and he said sure, and I noticed he had a second box. So long story short, I bought 12,000 of these dowels for 50 bucks. So I got them really inexpensive. So I sell them in lots of 100, 300, 500, and I believe 1,000. And they sell. Every once in a while I'll sell a couple bags, and then I'll go a month with no action, and then I'll sell some more. I do offer volume discount, so crafters will buy these, and of course woodworkers use little wooden dowel pins to make woodworking projects. So this one just sold. I think I sold some about 3 weeks ago too. So not something I highly recommend. It's very specialized and kind of difficult. There's also little wooden biscuits and other things that you can buy. If you can get them super cheap, you can lot them up and sell them, and they will sell. You can also possibly sell these on Etsy too, because it's kind of a crafty thing. Water filters, this is kind of like a secret. I didn't want to put this on here, but what the heck. Right here, water filters sell really good. And I don't know how these come about, but sometimes people will get a new appliance, like a new refrigerator or a new under sink water system, and they kind of get excited and they buy a bunch of filters for the future. And then they move, or they get a new appliance or whatever, and they don't need these filters anymore. So they sell them at garage sales, church rummage sales. Sometimes they just give them to thrift stores. Most people, in estate sales too. Most people will walk right past these because they'll look at it and say, oh, I don't own a refrigerator, and I probably don't own that model, so I don't need it. It's not about need, it's about other people needing it. So I think I got these in an estate sale, I'm not sure. I paid like $3 a piece for these, and I knew they sell good. I've never bought a water filter new in the package, sealed, that did not sell. They always sell. So got really good margins on this one. Next one is Tabasco coffee cup. I got a really good deal on these. I found a source for coffee mugs for 25 cents. Normally, like a thrift store, garage sale, they want $1 or $2, which isn't bad still. These I got for 25 cents. I put them, 4 of them on eBay for $6.95. This one in particular, somebody offered me $5, so I took it. I believe that's, yeah, $5. All of these items is shipping on top, so I'm charging shipping for every one of these, and people are happy to pay the shipping because they want the item. So there's a lot of theories out there. Some resellers only do free shipping because they think it's going to increase sales, and they know they have to subtract that from their gross sales, and they lose a little bit of money. Other resellers are like, nope, I'm charging shipping on everything because either you want it or you don't. So my theory is always start out charging shipping. You'd be crazy to list it first as free shipping because a lot of people are willing to pay the shipping. Now, if you charge shipping and it doesn't sell for a couple months, then you can reduce the cost of shipping or then go to free shipping. All of these I listed not very long. Of course, the wooden dowels is a mess, but the water filters and the coffee, Tabasco coffee mug, they weren't up very long, a month or two, and then they're gone and they sold because people want it and they will pay the shipping. So my advice is always start out charging shipping. So boy, it is hot today. This is our first hot day. It's June 27, 2019. We've had 30 days of rain and cold in West Michigan, and finally summer is here. So those are what sold on eBay. Give it a thumbs up if you like it and it was helpful. Questions down in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed yet, it helps me out a lot if you do that. Thanks for watching.